20 birds in English. Falcon. Falcon. A fast bird of prey that hunts other animals. Example, the falcon flies very fast. Vulture. Vulture. A large bird that eats dead animals. Example, the vulture circles in the sky. Stork. Stork. A tall bird with long legs and a long beak. Example, the stork stands near the river. Heron. Heron. A long-legged bird that lives near water. Example, the heron catches fish. Pelican. Pelican. A water bird with a big pouch under its beak. Example, the pelican eats fish. Robin. Robin. A small bird with a red chest. Example, the robin sings in the morning. Swallow. Swallow. A small bird that flies very fast. Example, the swallow flies low. Magpie. Magpie. A black and white bird. Example, the magpie sits on the tree. Macaw. Macaw. A large, colorful parrot. Example, the macaw has bright feathers. Toucan. Toucan. A bird with a very large, colorful beak. Example, the toucan eats fruit. Finch. Finch. A small bird that eats seeds. Example, the finch hops on the ground. Lark. Lark. A small bird known for singing. Example, the lark sings beautifully. Wren. Wren. A tiny bird with a loud voice. Example, the wren sings loudly. Albatross. Albatross. A very large bird with long wings. Example, the albatross glides in the sky. Condor. Condor. One of the largest flying birds. Example, the condor flies over mountains. Crane. Crane. A tall bird with long legs and neck. Example, the crane dances in the field. Hornbill. Hornbill. A bird with a big curved beak. Example, the hornbill sits on a tree. Ibis. Ibis. A bird with a long curved beak. Example, the ibis walks near water. Quail. Quail. A small ground bird. Example, the quail runs quickly. Pheasant. Pheasant. A colorful bird with a long tail. Example, the pheasant walks in the field. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.